professional injection mold manufacturing expert, specializing in electric vehicle components and automotive rivet solutions. Cnmoulding is a company dedicated to the design, development, and manufacturing of high-end injection molds, with extensive experience in the automotive parts industry. We have established ourselves as leaders in the injection molding of electric vehicle components and precision manufacturing of automotive rivets. Through innovative techniques, rigorous quality control, and prompt service delivery, we have formed long-term partnerships with numerous renowned domestic and international automotive brands and component suppliers. In response to the growing demand for lightweight yet high-strength components in electric vehicles, we provide comprehensive injection molding solutions using high-performance engineering plastics, for example, PA, PPS, PEEK, and composite materials. Our product scope includes critical components such as battery housings, charging interfaces, wiring harness brackets, and sensor enclosures. Our mold design integrates structural optimization with cost efficiency, enabling clients to enhance energy efficiency and strengthen their market competitiveness. Expertise in Automotive possess substantial technical expertise in the production of plastic rivets, nylon rivets, and composite material rivets. Our products exhibit excellent tensile strength, corrosion resistance, and electrical insulation, making them ideal for applications including interior fastening, wiring harness management, and body panel assembly. We offer customized design support, including anti-loosening structures and blind hole rivets, to meet diverse assembly requirements. Stricken mold development, utilizing CAD/CAM simulation analysis. We ensure optimal mold durability and forming accuracy, achieving tolerances as tight as plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. Automated manufacturing. Our production lines are equipped with high-speed injection molding machines and robotic automation systems, enabling efficient, large-scale manufacturing with minimal waste. Quality assurance. We operate under ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certifications, implementing full process SPC control to meet stringent automotive industry reliability standards. Service commitments. Prompt response, from initial requirement analysis to sample delivery. We offer end-to-end technical support aimed at reducing our clients' R&D cycles. Cost efficiency, by optimizing material selection and refining manufacturing processes. We assist clients in lowering overall production costs. Environmental responsibility. We actively promote the use of eco-friendly materials, such as bio-based and recycled plastics, to advance sustainable and green manufacturing practices.